Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. How are you guys doing today? Hope you guys are good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever location you're watching me from right now. You're highly welcome. So in today's video, we're talking about the wonders of sea salt, how you can use sea salt to attract money to your house, abundance to your house, and also how you can use your sea salt to influence any job or visa interview, which I'll be sharing on this video today. So sit comfortably, watch this particular video to the very end so that you understand everything I'm going to share on this video. You see this sea salt you're talking about, I'm not talking about your normal kitchen salt at home. Okay, your normal kitchen salt at home is already refined, so even if you're using it for any spiritual uses or any spiritual purpose at all, you will not get your desired results. Okay, your sea salt is unrefined salt. It's coming directly from the sea, very powerful. It carries high spiritual energy. Okay, you can get your sea salt everywhere. You can get it from the market, from the ShopRite, from the mall. You can order it even from the spiritual store. You can get it there also. It's common. Okay, you can get it very powerful. Now, how you can use your sea salt to attract money, abundance to your house? You see the entrance of your doorstep, get some quantities of sea salt, put it at the side of the entrance of your doorstep. Okay, put it there. Then you go to the back of your apartment, also put it there also. You'll be replacing this particular salt every 10 days. Okay, you will sweep it off, replace it with a new one. Okay, and this particular sea salt has the ability to purify your home, because salt itself stands for purification. To purify your home, ward off every negative energy, negative vibrations, and keep attracting wealth, abundance to you. Very powerful. You can also put this sea salt inside your purse or your pocket to keep attracting money, to keep attracting abundance to you, and ward off every negative vibration. How you can do this? Just get a paper, add some quantity, just put some quantities of sea salt inside your paper, fold it and put it inside your wallet or your purse or your handbag. Okay, it will keep attracting money to you, attracting abundance to you, and your pocket will never get dry. Very powerful. And for the job and visa interview, how you can do this? Yes, you can use your sea salt because of its high spiritual energy, the powers in it. You can use it to influence a job or a visa interview. How you can do this? You're going to get 3 stones of sea salt, just 3 stones, like 3 seeds. Okay, 3 stones of this particular sea salt. So as you're going for your job interview or your visa interview, that 3 stones, hold it on your hand and make your declarations. Okay, speak to the salt that as you go to this interview, as you go, whether your job interview or visa interview, you want everything to come out well, everything to go as planned. Let everything go excellently. Okay, you want them to give you the job, you want them to grant you your visa while making your declarations. Once you get to that premises, whether your job interview premises or your visa, once you get to the embassy, whether it's your visa stuff, once you get there, you will discreetly drop 1 stone of the sea salt there. Okay, doing this has the ability, this particular direction, it has the ability to influence that job interview or your visa interview. Very powerful, and it will go as planned, it will go well. Very powerful. Do this and see the powerful result. Okay, so I decided to share this powerful information with you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, drop a positive comment. I'll be replying every comment, and please share this video with family and friends. Thank you so much. If you have not yet subscribed, subscribe now so that you can always get powerful spiritual tips from this powerful channel. Okay, thank you guys. See you on my next video. Stay blessed, guys.